I don't know. All right.
Oh, Lord.
Congratulations in order for reigning 110-meter hurdles world champion Omar McLeod, the only Jamaican who has been nominated for the 2017 International Association of Athletics Federations, that's the IAAF, Male Athlete of the Year Award. No Jamaican apparently made the list of female nominees. Interestingly enough, Gatlin is not on this list.
No.
Even though folks thought he would have.
No.
Because in 2015, the IAAF changed its rules to exclude anyone who's ever been sanctioned for a serious doping offense.
Which is unfortunate. I don't believe in that, by the way.
You don't believe in it? Why?
No, because if you're going to allow him to come back and compete, it means you've wiped the slate clean. So you can't 1 foot in, 1 foot out. He's either competing or he's not. So don't let him back in and then have him train, work hard, and then say, I can't reward you because of what you've done. I think if you're going to open the door, open the door.
That's actually an interesting argument.
Yeah,
with which I would tend to agree.
Yeah, I don't like it. Because what are you going to say? He's going to do so well and then not be rewarded for it? So I don't agree with that. But Omar McLeod,
23-year-old University of Arkansas student.
Mr.
He won the 110-meter hurdles Diamond League race in Shanghai, China, 13.09 seconds. Then again in Eugene, Oregon, clocking 13.01 seconds in May. 7th in the men's 100-meter hurdles final at the Paris Diamond League in July, after clocking 13.13 in Heat 2. Big win. For this gentleman in his career, and believe me when I tell you, I don't think we've seen the best of Omar McLeod yet, and his spirit is so incredible. That when you hear him say he knows he has more in the tank and more,
and he wants to stretch his limit. You know, he wants to do the 100 meters. Yeah, I think he can.
Yeah.
I really think he can, and that would be awesome.
We're looking at
to dominate the hurdles and then come dominate the 100. So you go, Mr.
He actually ran in the relay, right?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did. He did. Okay.
Yeah.
So
and
past
they're Jamaican IAAF.
Ati in 1990. Safa or Asafa at one time was a debate. A debate then, no?
I don't know why.
2006.
Call him so, because he never said so.
Bolt, 2008, 2009, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2016. And Mrs. Shelley Ann Fraser-Pryce in 2013. There's a picture of her on social media circulating with her. What a, oh my gosh.
Shelley,
in love.
So awesome though.
In love.
Yeah.
Zion cute to tell.
All right,
you would love this one now, miss.
But I mean, it's been a while since he's been courted. I think HBO at some point was the first to say they wanted to do something with him. So author Marlon James, leading American film company Amazon Studios, will produce a television show based on his award-winning book, A Brief History of 7 Killings. A high-profile production team will oversee the project, led by Melina Matsoukas as director and executive producer. James will also be involved as executive producers. Other producers are Malcolm Spellman, whose credits include Empire, and Jill Soloway, the creator and driving force behind Transparent. Another Amazon Studio project which won 2 Golden Globe Awards in 2016. So that's exciting, my friends, is awesome.
So that means HBO lost out on the bid? Is that what it means?
Unless they're producing it for HBO.
Okay.
But what's amazing is I said to people all the time, just do your best. You never know where it goes. Because Marlon probably I'm not saying he didn't, saw himself as a television script writer. And to see this and then moving into incredible. So sometimes I tell people at door now, open for you, go do something else, because you'd be surprised to see what opens the door. Awesome. Proud of him.
Yes. Well done, sir. Well done.
Well done.
Well done.
May I go look apart?
Of course you is. You know, if you look at him, I call you.
Mr. You're bad mind, you know. We're going to talk about that with a 9 co-worker, you know. Mr. I'm going to look apart and you say, come, hurry up, move on. Let me tell you something. You say, me collect me Emmy. Me not call your name. Everybody else at TVJ about you. Lady Gaga.
That's bad. No, did you just switch from all of that to the smooth and
you just
something?
take bad mind, you just attack it, Simone,
And then
leave
bring it back.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You
go
not
ahead.
carry it with you. You carry it with you.
Lady Gaga.
Ariana Grande, Juliana Moore, a host of celebrities. I mean, this is just a bit of them, are calling for gun control in wake of the Las Vegas mass shooting that took place yesterday. Worst in the U.S. modern history, Simone.
It was just heartbreaking. Interestingly, I read that one of the performers who was on stage at the time, I don't remember the name of the band, he also went on Twitter to post that he had been a proponent of the Second Amendment all his life, always supported it, and after what he went through and staring at death, he now realizes that for his entire life he's been wrong.
Yep.
And he thinks gun control should be a thing, and very quickly. The amount of times I hear Obama call for this during his presidency.
Yes.
The NRA,
let me tell
the
you,
Republicans.
or at least meet people halfway. If you don't intend to do it all the way, what is a man doing with high-powered weapon?
19 in the room that they found, and another, I don't know how much I'm yard.
Yes.
I mean, there's a weapon, and then there's a arsenal. Was he going to war? I mean, it just does not make.
It don't make any sense. It don't make any sense.
Every time I read about
If that
a story
man
like
was
that.
going to war, it don't make sense. Anyway, let's see what happens.
Very sad story.
All right, I want to say belated greetings, birthday, to Abby J. Wright, who's coming from her dad, Andre Wright, from Tash, and also from Julian.
Oh, gosh,
Jaden Green also is 11 today. So I want to say happy birthday to Jaden Green, coming from Tyler James and all of them other people. Brittany Renee's birthday is also today. I was trying, Harold, to open the picture outside of this, because usually when I open it in this, you can't get it. But Brittany, your mom just wake up. And so make sure I wish you happy birthday.
Pretty.
She's gorgeous.
She's how old today?
Our mother never tell me.
She's beautiful.
Yes, Harry, you can stop
Is
with
she a
that.
mago?
She should be. I think she's gorgeous. And happy anniversary to Carl. 24 years of wedded bliss.
Excellent.
Coming to you from your wife, Jason Hall Tracy, a former Miss Jamaica Festival Queen. Simone, you have no birthday?
Mine's
Is when?
24th.
Of when?
This month.
So yeah, wish yourself happy birthday. Davina Henry, happy
no.
birthday. Georgia
Soon.
McDonald Morrison, happy birthday to you. Alicia Walters, Javina Judson, and Evadne A. Banks. I want to say happy birthday to Simone every day until it reaches.
No, don't do that. Have to wrap anyway. The producer won't have it. Okay, bye-bye.